Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you why does my Ring app says no location. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And now once you're inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down and then find the Ring app, and once you do that, tap on the Ring app, and once you do that, here you'll be provided with two options, that is your upload app and delete app. Now tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is try again. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Ring app and then search for it. Now what you need to do is tap on the app to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be the reason that you are having this issue, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.